One bright and sunny morning, Benny the bunny woke up feeling excited. The warm sunlight was shining through the trees, and colorful flowers were blooming all around the forest. Benny loved mornings like this. He hopped happily along the forest path, looking at butterflies flying through the air and listening to birds singing in the trees. "This is such a beautiful day for an adventure," Benny said with a smile. As he walked deeper into the forest, he suddenly heard a tiny sound. "Help, help!" Benny stopped hopping and looked around. "Did I just hear someone crying?" he wondered. He carefully followed the sound through the tall grass and bright flowers. Soon, Benny saw a small blue bird sitting on a tree branch. The little bird looked very sad. Tears were falling from its tiny eyes. "Oh no," Benny said gently. "Why are you crying, little bird?" The bird sniffed and replied, "I can't find my home. I got lost while flying this morning." Benny felt very sad for the bird. "Don't worry," he said kindly. "We will help you find your nest." Just then, Benny's best friend, Toby the Turtle, slowly walked down the path. "Hello, Benny," Toby said calmly. "What's going on here?" Benny explained everything. "This little bird is lost and can't find its home," he said. Toby nodded wisely. "Well then," Toby said, "we should search the forest together." The three friends began their adventure. First, they looked near the tall oak trees. Benny hopped around the tree trunks while Toby carefully checked the bushes below. Kiki the bird flew a little higher to look around, but they still couldn't find the nest. Next, they walked toward the sparkling river. The water was flowing gently and fish were swimming happily. "Maybe the nest is near the river," Benny said. They searched near the rocks and trees beside the water, but the nest was not there either. The little bird began to feel worried again. "What if I never find my home?" the bird said sadly. Benny quickly smiled. "Don't worry," he said. "Friends never give up." Toby agreed. "Sometimes the best solution comes when we stay calm and keep trying." They continued walking through the forest. Soon they reached a tall hill covered with beautiful flowers. From the top of the hill, Kiki looked around carefully. Suddenly the bird's eyes became wide with excitement. "I see it," the bird shouted happily. "My nest is in that big tree over there." Benny and Toby quickly followed the bird to the tall tree. High up in the branches was a small cozy nest made of twigs and leaves. The little bird flew up and landed safely inside. "My home," the bird said joyfully. "Thank you so much for helping me." Benny smiled proudly. "We're always happy to help a friend," he said. Toby nodded. Helping others makes the forest a better place for everyone. The three friends sat together under the tree and watched the sunset. The sky turned orange and pink, and the forest became calm and peaceful. Benny felt happy knowing they had done something kind. And from that day on, the little bird knew that whenever it needed help, it had wonderful friends in the forest. And Benny learned something very important that day. Helping others always brings happiness to everyone.